Good news, speed freaks. The world's first 4G phone has finally arrived. With its blazing fast wireless speeds, front-facing camera, and high-res screen, the HTC EVO 4G from Sprint is ready to take on any Android app you throw at it. To get you started, here are some of our favorites. First, grab your EVO 4G, download the TV.com app, and do something that no other phone can. Stream high-quality video over 4G and all without Wi-Fi. TV.com gives you instant access to hundreds of streaming TV clips and full episodes of shows like Dexter, CSI Miami, Old School Star Trek, and even MacGyver. Sort by most popular, check out the featured episodes, or find shows by channel. For quick access, select all your favorites and add them to the My Shows area. You'll also get several channels devoted exclusively to premium web content and movie trailers. And the best part, well, the TV.com app is completely free. Now that you've flexed your 4G muscle, flex your gaming muscle with Armored Strike Online. This turn-based military combat sim puts you in command of an armored tank and its arsenal of weapons. Your goal? Take out your opponents by aiming your turret and firing on their position. But don't shoot without taking into account the terrain and the wind speed. Begin each round by spending cash on ammunition. Each weapon is unique and has a different payload, so choose wisely. Take on up to 3 different computer opponents all at once, or take the fight online where you'll play against human combatants from around the world. As you advance, you'll earn cash to gain access to bigger and better tanks and weapons. Fast, addictive gameplay and an online option make Armored Strike a game that you'll be playing for a long time to come. Get the free trial version, then upgrade to the full game for just $3.99. But don't declare victory before taking advantage of the EVO 4G's bonus-size screen. And there's no better way to do that than with the Dolphin Browser HD. Tabs, multi-touch, and full-screen browsing is the tip of this app's iceberg. Dolphin lets you use gestures to load your favorite site or open a new tab. If that weren't enough, Dolphin Browser also supports third-party add-ons like Ad Blocker, a password manager, and Google Translate. And there's one more surprise for HTC EVO 4G owners, and that's Flash support. It's one of the best, most complete web browsing experiences on any mobile device, and it won't cost you a dime. Get the Dolphin Browser HD for free right now in the Android market. Thanks to Sprint's 4G wireless and some really great Android apps, the mobile experience we've been waiting for is finally here. Is the future great or what?